Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch sites on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Switching sites on Wix is a straightforward process that can be an important aspect of managing multiple projects or businesses effectively. For example, if you are a client or a freelancer or part of an organization that runs multiple businesses or projects, switching sites allows you to manage each separately without confusion. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to the site on the Wix upper right corner and click on the dashboard. Now, once you do that, you will be forwarded to your dashboard, wherein this is where you can view and manage all your websites in one place. All right. When you manage a view, you can save as new view, set as default view, and of course, you have all these sites. For example, I was working on this site earlier, and if I wanted to switch site to a different one, all I have to do is click on the other site here. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one, select site. All right. And again, you would be forwarded to the Wix editor. Wherein, of course, if you want to manage and develop multiple brands under your umbrella, ensuring brand's identity is maintained, switching sites is one of the best practice. And of course, Wix can enhance your management capabilities, streamline your workflow. I'm going to hover again to the site. Now, it makes easier to navigate various projects and ensure each action is effectively developed and maintained. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.